Hi, my name is Kunal and I am the director of Medilight Electronics. We are the leading manufacturers and exporters of physiotherapy, swimming, dermatology and other essential medical equipments. In the past 4 years, we have developed a deep understanding in the requirements of these medical devices in the medical industry. Medilight is the first company to use a unique concept of manufacturing advanced devices with fiber cabinets, unique design and digital display, LCD and LED display along touch panels. Our vision is to become world's #1 customer focused and trusted company in providing medical equipment and technology. Our mission is to strive to offer the best quality product to our doctors which are easy to carry and easy to use according to their conveniences. We have got a strong presence in some parts of Gulf countries like United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Oman, Iraq, etc. Also, we are exporting our wide range of products to Sri Lanka, Africa, Europe and many other countries. I am very proud of the customer that we have managed to build up at Medilight Electronics. That customer that I have seen grown up not just in numbers but personally. Customers' growth is fantastic to watch. We have managed to build up a business which is very customer focused, which is extremely important in our developing business practices.